see the graphs of a few kind of randomly chosen quadratic functions. So here we have the graph of just kind of the basic quadratic function, f of x equals x squared. And then two other quadratic functions. G of x is half x squared minus 2x plus 1. H of x is negative 2x squared minus 4x. But the thing that should jump out at us here is that these graphs all have the same sort of general shape. Some of them are more stretched out, right, or more stretched out vertically. They're in different places. One of them's upside down. But geometrically speaking, these are all the same shape. Not just all U-shaped curves, all the same specific kind of curve. And this kind of curve is called a parabola. So a parabola is the geometric shape of the curve formed when we graph a quadratic function. There is a geometric definition of this that we're not going to go into at this moment. But know that it's a specific kind of U-shaped curve. The way that it rounds out at the bottom is very specific. It also has a number of features that we can describe. It has a highest or lowest point, and we call that point the vertex. And then the graph is reflectively symmetric across a vertical line through the vertex. That vertical line is called the axis of symmetry. When we say that the graph is reflectively symmetric, that means that if I have points at the same distance on either side of the axis of symmetry, they'll have the same y-coordinate. So looking at these parabolas again, these are the same parabolas we looked at a moment ago. On this first one, the vertex is its lowest point here. This is just the point 0, 0. So the vertex is at 0, 0. The axis of symmetry, then, is the vertical line through that point. So in this case, that's just the y-axis. So I'm drawing this dashed line that coincides with the y-axis. The equation of that y-axis as a line is just x equals 0. Remember, vertical lines have the equation x equals some number. This next parabola, here's the vertex at the bottom. That's the point 2, negative 1. So the vertex is 2, negative 1. The axis of symmetry again is the vertical line that passes through the vertex. So I'm drawing this dashed line as a vertical line through the vertex, and that's going to be the line x equals 2. Finally, this last parabola is upside down. Its vertex is at negative 1, 2. The axis of symmetry is the vertical line that passes through the vertex. So I'm just drawing this dashed vertical line passing through the vertex. And the equation of that line is x equals negative 1.